Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SnackOnSyntax. Today we are going to talk about aliases or aliasing in Python. I will try to keep this video as short as possible. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So what are aliases essentially? Aliases are basically when two variables point to the same object. The big deal is when there are aliases, that is two variables pointing to the same object, and you modify one of them, the other one also changes whether or not it was your intention. Let's see how that works. So first of all, I'm gonna go and pull up the terminal window and I'm gonna write in Python so that we can start writing in the Python syntax. And then I'm gonna create two lists, A and B, and their contents will be exactly the same. So let's say I put the items 1, 2 and 3 as integers in the list A. 1, 2, 3. And since B has the same contents as A, I'm just going to pull up my last command and just going to change the variable name to B. B is equal to also 1, 2, 3. Now let's see if A is B. And as you guys can see, the result of this statement is false because A and B at this moment are two different objects, although their contents are exactly the same. Now let's make B point to the same object as A by doing the simple assignment operation B is equal to A. And after this gets executed, B will point to the same object as A and it will basically erase its link to the previous object. So let's check once again. First of all, let's check if the contents are exactly the same. So let's say print A is equal to B, and we should hopefully get a true for this because the contents haven't changed at all. So yes, the content is exactly the same and the contents are the items 1, 2 and 3. Let's see if A is B this time. And this time, as you guys can see, we get a true. And this is what aliasing is basically exactly. Now, since B and A are linked to the same object, which is a list containing the items 1, 2, 3, they are basically aliases and can be used interchangeably. This causes a lot of confusion, especially in situations where you don't intend to do so. And now I'm gonna show you the adverse effect of it, or what can go wrong basically. So let's say I say B, let's edit the first item in B. Let's say I reassign the first item in B to say, instead of 1, I want to say 99. And let's print out A this time. As you guys can see, we modified the contents of B, but A has also changed just because of the fact that they were aliases. So you can see that the contents of A has been changed without any explicit statement about changing the contents of A. This is exactly what aliasing is and can sometimes be a real pain when you have a long code and the statement leads to contents of an object changing without any intention to do so. So thanks for watching guys. Do like and subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Until next time, ciao ciao.